Let's go.
Hey baddies, welcome to day 1 of 7-day flexibility reset challenge. This session is a full body wake up, perfect for starting your day and reconnecting with your body. We're starting with barrel rolls. Picture yourself hula hooping with your spine, drawing slow controlled circles around the inside of a barrel. Let your pelvis lead the motion, tilting into a gentle tuck and then a soft arch. Keep your core lightly engaged and your shoulders relaxed. Switch directions halfway, let it feel fluid and juicy. From downward dog, ripple through your spine into a plank, then lower your hips into an upward facing dog. Open your heart, pull your shoulders down and away from your ears, and feel your chest expand. Flow back into downward dog and repeat at your own rhythm. Think of it as a moving stretch from head to toe.
Everything is going to go my way. It's gonna be a good day. The sun is shining bright and it's here to stay.
Stay in downward dog, plant one hand at center and reach the other hand to the opposite ankle. Spiral your chest open, looking under your armpit to deepen the twist. Take your time switching sides, let your breath guide you into each stretch. Come into your tabletop and thread your right arm under your left, resting on your right shoulder. Push into the mat with your left hand to gently deepen the twist. For more intensity, extend your left arm overhead or pulse it back. Keep both shoulder blades active and soften your jaw. Repeat the same flow on your left, melt into the twist but stay active. Think lifted and lengthened, not collapsed.
Can you feel me now? Everywhere I go, everything is good. Everybody know I got the Midas touch. Everywhere I go, everything is good. Everybody know I got the Midas touch. Everywhere I go, everything is good. Everybody know I got the Midas touch.
In tabletop, shift slightly forward and place your forearms on the mat. Gently arch your mid-back as you press your forearms down and up. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together like you're pinching a pencil between them. This wakes up those often neglected muscles for good posture. It's great if you sit a lot during the day. Return to upward dog. Engage your glutes to support your lower back and lift through your chest. Place one hand at center and pulse the opposite arm back behind you and alternate between the two arms. Think of your shoulder blades hugging down your back. This targets your shoulder stability while stretching through your front body. Grab two blocks from tabletop, place your forearms on the blocks, elbows bent, and let your chest melt toward the mat. If you find that the block is too much for you, you can also use a chair as well or not use the block at all. Keep your hips stacked over your knees and breathe into your upper back. This opens the shoulders deeply, perfect for improving overhead range. Sit tall in butterfly, soles of your feet together, and gently flutter your knees up and down like butterflies. Fold forward from your hips, not your spine. If you find that your back rounds, you can sit on the block. Begin to walk your hands to the right, then center, then left, finding length through each side body. Sink into a deep squat. Grab your left ankle with your left hand and reach your right arm up and over in a big side stretch. Rotate your chest toward the sky, feeling the stretch ripple through your side waist and hips. Stay grounded through both heels. Now repeat on the other side. Keep the motion soft and expansive. Let this be both grounding and energizing.
I just wanna know, am I crazy for saying that I need your love? I just wanna know, am I crazy for saying that I need your love? Craving, I've been craving your arms around me every night. 'Cause you're all that I want and I can't get enough of you. If I reach for your hand, would you reach out and touch me too?
Lie down and hug your right knee in. Guide it across your body to the left for a spinal twist. Keep both shoulders heavy on the mat. If it feels good, bend your left leg behind you and grab your foot with your right hand for a bonus quad stretch. Same thing on the other side. Breathe deeply and allow gravity to do the work. I hope you're ready for whatever the day brings, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2, quads and hamstrings. And until then, stay soft, strong, and bendy.